Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and the weekly update for Google Chrome with security fixes has arrived. Now, there is still no word yet of what are all the security fixes, as it seems it takes longer now to report the information. It's potentially, maybe something that they do intentionally, actually, because they want to, make sure that the bad guys don't know too much about it. But if you go to your Chrome browser, help and about Google Chrome, you'll be pushed to version 148.0.7778.216.217, depending on the version that you have of Windows, Mac, or Linux. And this, of course, is the security updates that are arriving every week. So it will be interesting to see. We've seen that in the past couple of weeks. Last week wasn't too bad. But in the last month, there were almost every week a ton of new security updates, and there are a lot of them. It was pretty amazing. So we'll see what happens this week on the security updates this side. And of course, that also means that Chromium browsers will eventually get these updates. So if you're using Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and so on, you might want to check for updates. And of course, will be Microsoft Edge. And we'll be talking at the same time of the how many security flaws are fixed and the severity also. Are there any 0 days? Are there a lot of critical flaws and so on? So you can update your Google Chrome now. Of course, if you use it every day, it updates automatically in general. But you can go and check for updates. Make sure you're up to date. These are the most important fixes to stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.